Are you tired of feeling sluggish and not at your best? What if I told you there's a superfood that can help you heal and repair like never before? No, I'm not talking about some exotic berry from a remote island. I'm talking about good old red meat. That's right. Today, we're diving deep into why red meat is the ultimate food for healing and repairing your body. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a delicious journey of discovery. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all the juicy content we've got lined up for you. The misconceptions about red meat. Let's dive right into the first section, where we address some of the most common misconceptions about red meat. You've probably heard it all before. Red meat is bad for you. It's the leading cause of heart disease, or it's destroying our planet. These statements have been circulating for years now, but how much truth is there to these claims? Let's break it down. Red meat has been under scrutiny for quite some time, often portrayed as the villain in our diets. Media outlets and some health organizations have been quick to point fingers at red meat for a variety of health issues, including heart disease, high cholesterol, and even certain types of cancer. While it's true that excessive consumption of anything is bad for you, the key lies in moderation and quality. Many of these studies that link red meat to health issues often overlook important factors like the quality of meat consumed, the cooking methods used, and what other foods were part of the diet. Debunking myths, climate change. Another hot topic that often lands red meat in the hot seat is its impact on climate change. Critics argue that livestock farming contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. While it's true that industrial farming practices can have environmental consequences, it's not the whole picture. Sustainable farming methods, such as rotational grazing and regenerative agriculture, have been shown to be beneficial for the environment. These practices not only reduce the carbon footprint, but also improve soil health. So it's not red meat that's the problem. It's the way it's produced. Now let's talk about the health risks often associated with red meat. One of the most common claims is that red meat is a leading cause of heart disease due to its saturated fat content. However, more recent studies have shown that saturated fats are not the main culprit in heart disease. In fact, when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, red meat provides essential nutrients like protein, iron, and B vitamins that are beneficial for your health. Another claim is that red meat increases the risks of certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. While some studies suggest a possible link, they often fail to consider other lifestyle factors like lack of exercise, smoking, and consumption of processed foods. Moreover, the risk is mostly associated with processed meats like sausages and hot dogs, not unprocessed, fresh red meat. So, the next time you hear someone say that red meat is bad for you or the planet, remember that the issue is far more nuanced. Quality matters, moderation is key, and sustainable farming practices can make all the difference. The Nutritional Powerhouse. Now that we've cleared the air about the misconceptions surrounding red meat, let's delve into what makes it a nutritional powerhouse. When it comes to healing and repairing your body, the nutrients you consume play a crucial role. And guess what? Red meat packs a punch in this department. Protein content comparison: red meat versus other sources. One of the most important nutrients for body repair is protein. Red meat is an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. But how does it stack up against other protein sources like eggs and fish? Well, when it comes to protein content, red meat takes the lead. For example, a 100-gram serving of beef provides about 26 grams of protein, while the same amount of salmon offers around 22 grams, and eggs provide approximately 13 grams. The protein in red meat is also more bioavailable, meaning it's easier for your body to absorb and utilize. The richness of essential amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and essential amino acids are those that your body can't produce on its own. You have to get them from your diet. Red meat provides a rich source of these essential amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are crucial for muscle repair and regeneration. The amino acid profile of red meat is more complete compared to plant-based protein sources, making it an excellent choice for overall body repair. Vitamins and minerals, the unsung heroes. Beyond protein and amino acids, red meat is a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. Let's start with iron. The iron in red meat is heme iron, which is more readily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant foods. This makes red meat an excellent choice for individuals who are prone to anemia or have higher iron needs, such as athletes or pregnant women. Next, we have magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is vital for muscle function and bone health, while zinc plays a role in immune function and wound healing. A serving of red meat provides substantial amounts of both. And let's not forget the B vitamins. Red meat is rich in vitamins like B6, B12, and niacin, which are essential for energy metabolism and nervous system health. These nutrients are often lacking in vegetarian or vegan diets, making red meat a valuable addition for those who include it in their meals. The X factors in red meat. After discussing the nutritional aspects of red meat, let's move on to some of its unique components that give it an edge in the realm of healing and body repair. These are what we'll call the X factors in red meat: carnitine, creatine, carnosine, and coenzyme Q10. Carnitine, the energy transporter. Carnitine is a compound that plays a crucial role in energy production. It acts as a transporter, moving long-chain fatty acids into the mitochondria, where they are oxidized to produce energy. This is particularly important for muscle cells, including the heart, which require a constant supply of energy to function effectively. While your body can produce some amount of carnitine, red meat provides an additional source that can be particularly beneficial during periods of stress or intense physical activity. Creatine, for high-intensity activities. If you're into sports or any form of high-intensity activities, you've probably heard of creatine supplements. But did you know that red meat is a natural source of creatine? Creatine is stored in the muscles and is used as a quick energy source during high-intensity, short-duration activities. It helps replenish ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell, allowing for better performance and faster recovery. So, if you're looking to boost your athletic performance or speed up muscle repair, red meat can be a valuable addition to your diet. Carnosine, the pH buffer and antioxidant. Carnosine is another compound found in red meat that serves multiple functions. It acts as a pH buffer, helping to maintain the acid-base balance in muscles during exercise. This can delay muscle fatigue and improve performance. Additionally, carnosine has antioxidant properties, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells. This makes it a valuable component for cellular repair and maintenance. Coenzyme Q10, the mitochondrial booster. Last but not least, we have coenzyme Q10, often abbreviated to CoQ10. This compound is essential for the mitochondrial production of energy. It's a part of the electron transport chain, facilitating the production of ATP. CoQ10 is also known for its antioxidant properties, protecting cells from oxidative stress and damage. While the body can produce CoQ10, its levels tend to decrease with age. Red meat provides a dietary source of this compound, supporting cellular energy production and overall vitality. How to incorporate red meat into your diet. We've talked about the nutritional benefits and unique components that make red meat a powerhouse for healing and body repair. Now, let's discuss practical ways to incorporate this valuable food into your diet. Meal ideas: steaks, burgers, stews, and more. The versatility of red meat allows for a wide range of meal options. For a classic and straightforward approach, you can go for a steak, grilled or pan-seared to your liking. If you're looking for something more casual, burgers are always a hit and can be made healthier by using whole grain buns and adding a variety of vegetables. Stews and casseroles are excellent options for incorporating red meat, especially during colder months. These dishes allow for slow cooking, which can tenderize tougher cuts of meat while infusing them with flavors from vegetables and spices. Don't forget about meat-based pasta sauces, like bolognese, which can add a protein punch to your favorite pasta dish. While red meat is nutritious, moderation is key. The recommended portion size for red meat is about 3 to 4 ounces per serving, roughly the size of a deck of cards. As for frequency, aim to include red meat in your diet 2 to 3 times a week. This will provide you with the essential nutrients and X factors we've discussed, without going overboard on calories or saturated fats. And there you have it. We've debunked myths, explored the nutritional goldmine that is red meat, and even delved into the X factors that make it a healing powerhouse. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the meat aisle. Stop and consider adding some quality red meat to your cart. Give it a try and experience the healing power for yourself. And hey, if you've got any red meat recipes or experiences you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.